Capital One Spark Cash pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a business owner looking for simple, high-value cashback rewards, the Capital One Spark Cash card might be exactly what you need. Most people get this wrong. They assume business cards are only for travel perks, but the surprising truth is how much straight cashback you can earn on every purchase. With this card, you earn a flat 2% cash back on every purchase, with no limits or categories. For example, spending $0 annually would earn $0 in cashback, which can be redeemed as a statement credit, check, or applied to travel. That makes it one of the most straightforward and rewarding cashback cards for business owners who want predictability. The card has an intro annual fee for the first year, then annually. You cardholders can earn a one-time cash bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months, which is a nice boost to kickstart your rewards. Additional benefits include purchase protections, extended warranty coverage, and no foreign transaction fees, which is great if your business involves international transactions. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Cash card is perfect for business owners who want simple, high-value rewards without worrying about rotating categories or complicated point systems. The flat 2% cash back combined with a generous welcome bonus and flexible redemption options makes the annual fee easily worth it for anyone with consistent business spending.